Hello everyone, let's try to solve this question together. So this presentation is about how to calculate number to treat. So a drug X is given to two groups, one is control and one is experimental. Both groups have same number of patients. In group A, 30 patients died, and in group B, 3 patients died. So you just have to calculate number to treat. The first thing to just do a quick mental maths, because here the advantage is they have given you the same number of the patients, so that makes your calculation easy. So what we do, we create a, the answer is 7.4. So what we do is we create a 2 by 2 table quick. So as you guys can see here, we have a control group, here we have experimental group. So this number is obtained, of course, by subtracting the number of outcomes from there. So again, I'll rub it off. So that part is easy. So the formula is, you add a, divide a by adding these two. So basically divide 30 by 200, and same here, c and then c plus d, and then so basically divide that. So that's what has been done here. As you can see, the control and experimental group, the percentage was calculated, is given in fractions or decimals, and then you subtract, you got the difference in this. And formula for number to treat is 1 divided by the number which you get. Although it looks a little cumbersome, but in exam, do a quick mental maths and basically put both the number and the number of the patient and the outcome of the same group together, and the other one at the other line, and you can easily get to the answer. So this is for exam. In practice, what you can do, there are online calculators. So see, this is one where you can just put your numbers and it calculates the number to treat or number to harm for you. So this is really simple. Let's see other example. So now we have a drug Y that is given same control and disease, but here 100 patients died in group A. So how we can calculate? See, same 2 by 2, and here this thing is changed now. So basically now you have to divide this by this, and you have to divide this by this. Let's see how we did it. So see here, we did both and we got two fractions or numbers. After subtraction, we got this difference, and 1 is divided by that number, we got 2. So what is the message here? That so this is the right choice. The message is that once your outcome or see, and this is another way of doing it through the online gadget. So the idea is the larger the difference between the two group, the lower is the number to treat. So just remember that. Now this is another from this resource. If you guys have time, take a look. That same thing which I showed you, you put number here, and then you get this number. Same thing, you put number here, and you get this, and then this is already being told to you. Once you get the fractions, subtract it, divide 1 by absolute risk factor to get the number to treat or number to harm. So I hope this makes sense. Okay, now let's see. And this is the number to treat calculator online. This is the reference for that. So 3 things from this presentation, that if you're asking exam, just do a quick math. Do the control and do the experiment. Then find the difference and then divide 1 with the difference to get the number to treat. Trust me, it's not that difficult. It should be easy. If you're not in the exam and you just have to calculate for your, you're doing a study or reading a study, just use the online calculator, which I showed you. And in practice, the bottom line is that if you have a study where you have a higher number to treat, that means this drug or this intervention is less efficient. So this is a very important message. If the number to treat is small, suppose if you have number to treat is 1, it means your experiment or the drug which you're using is very efficient. But if you have number to 12 or 13, it means you have to treat 12 patients to get effect on 1. So sometimes they ask you this in the verbiage form or the narrative form. So I hope you learned something about how to calculate and do number to treat in stats. Have a good one. Bye.